Right, I'm going to show you the Matist XL. XL in this case means 6 meters. It's a really clever layout, I think. Anyway, I'm going to walk inside before anybody else does and show you this. What we've got here. Fridge that opens both ways as soon as I come in. We've got this toilet, which is a shower unit with a sliding door to keep your, if you're shy, so people don't see you. This is on the Ford engine, I think I said that. At the rear, sorry, at the front, 2 burners. We've got a sink here. We've got drawers in the kitchen block. Seats down here. Where's the bed? And we'll now find out.
Big garage?
Big, yes. Big, very big garage for a 6 meter vehicle.
Table.
Excellent. So you can see, you can sit there at the table, plenty of space there for 2. But now we'll see how to get the bed down. There you go. So there's the bed, and of course you've got the same thing, 2 meters long, and this one is excellent. So you've got a lot of space here. You've also got space in the doors for carrying stuff, which your outdoor tables and things like that. Note how even in the door it's got this ledge. I'm searching for a suitable word for that, but that in a way is a continuation of the bed. We've got storage all the way around with lighting, and we've got a large skylight up here. Slit windows either side, opening windows at the back of the vehicle. And here we've got a very large wardrobe as well. Look how much space there is in there. Several shirts in there as well. Currently it's being kept in use, and drawers below, of course. There's also a drawer in the in the shower. We've got the doors now open. Here, we'll go and have another look at the doors. Oh, I'll just mention this here. This is the Ford, which is a little bit more difficult to build with the fly net, with the mosquito net. As you can see, it's now covered down here, so we actually covered the whole thing properly. Open this up again. Renault's also another one which is a little bit more difficult to build a insect screen in. XL, so it was 6 meters. Storage there, tables there. I don't know what this stuff is, but it's the sort of thing you might carry with you. Chairs, I think. And look at the size of the garage. Very nice looking vehicle. That certainly does get my seal of approval. I'm just going to mention this before anybody else writes this in the comment section. I think that the problem that people talk about Ford wet belts is that it's all a question of using the right type of oil. I don't think people are using the right oil, and that is the problem where people have with Fords. That's my opinion. Others may disagree, but if you disagree, please say so. Other than that, I think that's a very nice vehicle. Haven't got a price for you. If you're interested, company's called Matist. They're from a place called Steinbrück. Contact them and ask them. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.